Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reply a comment with video on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and I'm going to add a comment to my post on my another Instagram account. I'm going to search for my second Instagram account, this one. Okay, and I'm going to leave a comment right here on this post. I'm going to go to the comment section and I'm going to add, hey, what are you doing? Okay, then I'm going to send it. Alright, and I'm going to switch to my second Instagram account and I'm going to reply this comment with video. Okay, I'm going to open it and I'm going to go to my profile, this one guys, and I'm gonna go to the comment section and then I'm going to reply this comment. We can tap on the reply button. Okay, and then I'm going to select this camera icon, and here we'll be able to reply this comment with a video. Okay, you can record new video or you can select video from your gallery. If you want to record video, you just need to use the Instagram camera and then you can start the recording right here, or you can upload a video from your gallery. You just need to click on this gallery menu and you can select video from your gallery you want to use to reply that comment. Okay, for example guys, I'm going to reply it with for example this video. Okay, and then I'm going to click on edit video right here. Okay, and here we'll be able to add music and then add sticker, text, or effect. It's up to you. And then once you're ready to upload your video, you can click on this icon like this, and then you can write a caption and hashtags right here, and you will be able to tag people as well, add location and select the audience. Okay, then after that you can click on share, and then the video will be shared to your Instagram with comment on it. Okay, as you can see that the comment has been added to my video and the video has been uploaded. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reply comment with video on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.